To you, our special guests, we are so glad you're here today. Just as the world has transitioned from 45s to 8 tracks, to cassette tapes, CDs, and now MP3, here at El Bethel, we are living out the theme, iChurch, answering the call, which is our contemporary response to the eternal voice and call of God. The method may be different, but the message remains the same. Since you're here, that means you responded to the voice of God. You answered the call. You are at the right place and at the right time. It is our prayer that you hear the voice of God speak to you during this worship experience. We invite you to relax and remain seated as we have a special treat just for you. Let's enjoy God today. Blessings and peace upon you.